Hello everyone, welcome to Travel with Mahalaxmi. I am so happy you are here today because this video is very special and close to my heart. Today I am taking you to a place that is not just a destination but a living tradition, Sualkuchi, the pride of Assam, also known as Vastra Nagari, the silk weaving village of India. Sualkuchi is located near the Brahmaputra river, and the moment you enter this village, you hear the sound of looms. Almost every home here is connected to weaving. It feels like the entire village breathes through silk threads. What makes Sualkuchi truly special is its three famous types of silk. Muga silk, the golden silk of Assam, found nowhere else in the world. Pat silk, soft, bright and elegant, and airy silk, warm, comfortable and known as Ahimsa silk. These fabrics are not just clothes, they represent Assamese culture, identity and generations of hard work. Watching the weavers work with so much patience and skill was honestly magical. The detailing, the effort, the dedication, it made me respect handloom work even more. During my visit, I had the wonderful opportunity to explore a handloom unit owned by Mr. Deepak Kolita. I want to sincerely thank him for welcoming us, showing us the weaving process, and explaining how much time and effort goes into making just one piece of silk fabric. It was such a warm and informative experience. I am truly grateful for the hospitality. Being in Sualkuchi felt peaceful and inspiring at the same time. You are not just visiting a village, you are witnessing history, art, and livelihood happening right in front of you. I believe everyone should have visited Sualkuchi at least once because you support local artisans, you learn the value of handmade products, you experience authentic Assamese culture, and you take home something truly meaningful, not mass produced.
এইটোৰ পৰা মুগা সূতা ওলায়। এইটো অৰিজিনেল ফৰ্মতে আছে। ইয়াৰ পৰা সূতা উলিওৱা হয় আৰু তাৰ পৰা সূতা উলিওৱাৰ পিছত সেই সূতাবিলাকে এনেকৈ কাপোৰ বোৱা হয়।
In today's fast world, places like Sualkuchi remind us to slow down and appreciate real craftsmanship. So, if you love culture, textiles, traditions, or meaningful travel, Sualkuchi deserves to be on your list. Thank you so much for watching and being part of this journey with me. Your support means everything. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.